right, we are going to sketch angles in standard position. So we're working our way towards some funky trig stuff, but for right now, we're going to start sketching them in standard position on the axis. So just a couple little reminders. We have 0 and 360 in the same place, and that would also be 720 and all of those, so multiples. We have 90, 180, and 270, and on and on and on. Other things to remember, the names of the quadrants, quadrant 1, quadrant 2, quadrant 3, and quadrant 4. All right, so we're going to be sketching angles on this coordinate plane. We always start our angles from the positive x-axis. That beginning is called the initial side. And they're going to end somewhere. I'm just going to draw a random ending here. And that is called the terminal side. So just some vocabulary that you might need. There is a special kind of angle called a quadrantal angle. And that terminates or ends on an axis. There's some special things to remember when we're talking about quadrantal angles. So just in case you see the word quadrantal angles, that's what it means. So that would be a 90-degree angle, a 540-degree angle. All of those would be quadrantal. When we're drawing the angles, if we go in this direction, it's positive. If we go the other way, it's negative. All right, so that's the informational part of the notes. Now we're going to do some examples. I change color so I don't get bored with that color. All right. All right, so all we're going to do is sketch these angles in standard position. So here's our axis. And we want to go negative 90. Now keep in mind, this is a quadrantal angle. So we're going to start on the initial side and we're going to go 90 degrees in the negative direction. So we're going to swing this way and draw the terminal side. So that's it. That's really all we have to do. So let's do a couple more examples. Now there's a lot of estimating that goes with this. We're not going to be perfect on them, but we're going to estimate. All right, so we need to draw a 210-degree angle. That's positive. So starting on the initial side, we're going to draw, that's 90, 180, and there would be a little bit more to get to 210. So that is approximately a 210-degree angle. We swung around 210 degrees. Just writing down 2 more. All right, so negative 300 is going to start on the initial side, and we're going to go around 300 degrees. So 90, 180, 270, and some more. That's a negative 300-degree angle. And then you go ahead and do 135 and then come back and check your answer. Welcome back. 90 and some more in the positive direction. Oh, you can't even see those. I'm sorry. All right, I'm going to put 2 more for you to try. 510 and negative 380. So pause, see what you think. You might want to do it in pencil and then come back and check. Welcome back. All right, this one's 510 degrees. So we need to go around 360 and some more. So 360, the next one would be 450, and we're not quite going to make it to 540. So it would be there. So you can double around, triple around, whatever. Negative 380 is going backwards around 360 and some more. So that would look like that. And you may also be asked to look at an angle that's drawn and tell how many degrees. All right, so let's see. We went around one, well, first of all, we're going in the positive direction, and then we went around one time, another time, so that's 720, and it looks like maybe 40 more. So 740, 745 ish. All right, that's it. That's all there is to graphing angles in standard position.